In this video, we will learn about loops in Java. Actually, these loops are common in almost all the programming languages. So let's see what loops are. And we will start our program by creating main method. Now, suppose there is a task in your written exam or in your company that you will have to print a message hello world one time. So we can simply write hello world and your task is over here. We'll run and see. It is printing hello world. But now your manager has come and asked you to write it 10 times. So what we can do, we can simply copy paste it 10 times. Your task is done. But now what will happen if someone says print a message 10,000 times? Will you keep on pasting these lines 10,000 times? No, right? So for this task, we need loops. So when will we use loops? We will use loop when we want to do a task many times, or when we want to execute some lines of code many times. Okay, so now let's see. We will see our first loop, that is for loop. For loop has syntax like this. Here it needs 3 statements. So first statement would be the variable initialization. So all the time we mostly use I. We initialize I with 0, or you can initialize I with anything. Then we will say, suppose we will have to print it 10 times. So we will put this condition I is less than 10. Then after each iteration, I will be incremented. And whatever is written here inside for loop, this will be printed. This line will get executed 10 times. Let's run and see. See, it has been run 10 times. Now, if they come and ask that you will have to execute it 100 times, you will just have to change this value. And now you can run this loop 100 times. So this is a very useful concept, and almost in all programs you will need it. Let's see, it has run 100 times. Even we can print the counter so that you know I plus 1. I am writing I plus 1 because we have initialized I to 0. See, it is running 100 times. Let's run it 200 times. So we'll end our video here. In next video, we will learn other loops. We will learn while loop in the next video.